Hi everyone, this is what's happening this week on DFC's Must-Have Mondays.
The 2024 to 2025 Subaru Ascent. This vehicle is made for families who don't sit still, built for road trips, mountain passes, and all-weather confidence. And when it's time for new brakes, the DFC 5000 brake pads and GeoSpec Rotors deliver factory-level performance you can count on. Designed for proper OE fit and reliable stopping power, this combo features GeoSpec Rotors with a corrosion-resistant coating and application-specific pads engineered for quiet, smooth, and consistent braking. Whether it's daily driving or weekend escapes, DFC keeps your Subaru Ascent ready for whatever comes next. DFC is proud to be one of the first aftermarket brake manufacturers to offer brake pads, rotors, and hardware for this new application, providing a complete solution for distributors and installers alike. Whether it's our DFC 5000 series brake pads, our corrosion-resistant GeoSpec coated rotors, or our OE-specific hardware kits, every part is precision engineered for fit, performance, and reliability. For added convenience, these parts are also available in an all-in-one brake kit, saving time on the shelf and in the shop. At DFC, we stay ahead of the market by investing in innovation, expanding our catalog fast, and supporting our partners with top-tier fill rates and service. If you missed this week's Must-Have Monday email, connect with your local sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Must-Have Monday to see what we're launching next.